1-0, 1-0, 1-0. Echo, echo, so many voices in my headphones. Shoulders colder than the neck froze, colder than the glaciers or the white of a fresh snow. Could've swore that we were cut from the same clothes. Could've swore that we were made from the same souls. Thought we all were working on the same goals. Now I realize that it just ain't so. They want me thinking that my neighbors are my foes. Got me questioning the nature of my own, seeing the bad in everything I don't know. They made me believe that if I see it, it's so. They got me walking on a slippery slope, and I just don't think I can take it no more. Too many lies, now my head's about to blow. Somebody save me, I just gotta know. 1-0, let go. 1-0, let go. 1-0, let go. 1-0, let go. Hysteria, no area to grow. I see them hating on the merry on the go. I see them getting at the very bottom, bro. I'm talking about the scary unknown. We living in a scenario of woes, and got them everywhere we go. This place is losing its glow, it's about to explode. 1-0, let go. 1-0, let go. 1-0, let go. 1-0, let go. 1-0, let go, it ain't no thing. Ain't gotta be boxed into binary. All of us is walking through the same pains. Ain't gotta think that everything is what it seems. There's more than one side to this game, and more than one side to this brain. No matter how much that they say,